time now.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lizzie, your favorite bartender. So on today's video, I wanted to go ahead and do a tribute to Chadwick Boseman. Truly gone too soon. I didn't get the pleasure of meeting him, but from what I can tell, he was a great man, a great actor, activist, and he did so much while walking and suffering in pain. So my heart truly goes out to your family, Chadwick Boseman. He's up there now, resting with his loved ones and pain-free, okay? So rest well, King. All right, so today's drink is gonna be very delicious and dark, like him. All right, we're gonna go ahead and use Blueberry Vodka, 2 ounces. Half an ounce of Blue Curacao. Half an ounce of Chambord Liqueur, aka raspberry liqueur. 1 ounce of sour mix. And a little tiny smidge of simple syrup. We are going to shake. Give it a nice little time. Cheers, King. Let's try it. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys like this video. I know it's a little different, but I wanted to honor our fallen hero. So don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and subscribe so you can join this party. Wakanda forever.